Shadow, you have to turn back.
Why would I? Don't you understand, Faker?
This feeling. Wait! Shadow.
You're so beautiful like this. So still. So beautiful. You feel so at peace now. You're glowing. I can feel it. I can feel you.